In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide specific placeholders on a custom layout in PowerPoint. It's a handy skill for anyone looking to customize presentations more effectively, so let's get started. First, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you have the application open, head over to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This is the first step in getting to where we need to be to adjust your slide layouts. After you're in the File tab, your next destination is the View tab on the ribbon. This ribbon is the toolbar that runs along the top of your PowerPoint window. Clicking on View will open up several options that help you alter how you see and work with your slide deck. Now, in the Master Views group, you'll spot an option named Slide Master. Click it, and instantly, you'll notice that on the left side of your screen, there's a column with a cascade of slide thumbnails. At the very top of this column is what we call the main slide master. This is your overview section, and it allows you to work with the master slide, which then trickles down its changes to all other related layouts within your presentation. After pulling up the slide master, you should direct your attention to the slide master tab specifically. Within this section, you'll find the master layout group. This is essentially your dashboard for tinkering with placeholders, and it contains various editing tools specific to master slides. In this master layout group, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty. You will find checkboxes next to options such as title, text, date, and footer, among others. If you're looking to hide a placeholder like the title or footers, simply uncheck the boxes next to these items. If you want to show them, just be sure those boxes are checked. This is an intuitive feature that PowerPoint provides, letting you customize your slides design with a simple click. Remember, any changes you make here will apply to all slides associated with this layout, so be sure the slide you're altering is indeed the one you want to modify. Once you've finalized your changes, you can go back to your presentation in normal view, and you'll see that your modifications have been applied. And there you have it. A clear path to showing or hiding specific placeholders on custom layouts in PowerPoint. This feature is especially useful for maintaining consistency and removing unnecessary clutter to keep your slides looking clean and professional. I hope you found this process straightforward and that it helps you enhance your presentations in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.